So, good evening, folks. I am Ritesh Kumar Sinha, the Android facilitator from DSC CVRGU, and I welcome you all to the info session of Android Study Jam, which is now live. So, guys, now let's come to the vision of both the universities that have collaborated together to make this event a grand success. First of all, coming to the Developer Student Club GITA. The vision of the Developer Student Club GITA is that we aim to learn, connect, and grow together while using technology and to create an astounding impact that creates ripple of positivity and progress and inspire others to do the same. We are constantly evolving and expanding to encourage more technology enthusiastic to climb the staircase of skill and solutions. Now, guys, coming to the vision of Developer Student Club CV Raman Global Universities. The vision of Developer Student Club CV Raman Global University is that to make students learn about a wide of technical topics where new skills are gained together through project building activities and apply the learning and connections to build great solutions to local problems. So I hope every one of you might be thinking that what actually an Android Study Jam is. Android Study Jam are community organized study groups for people to learn how to build Android apps using an online curriculum. Basically, there are two tracks for Android Study Jam. Track 1, new to programming track. In this track, you will learn the basic of building Android apps with the Kotlin programming languages and develop a collection of simple apps to start your journey as an Android developer. Coming to the track 2, that is prior programming experience track. In this track, you will first learn the essentials of Kotlin programming languages, then learn the fundamental of Android development and best practices by building a variety of Android apps in Kotlin. Now coming to the facilitators that are the main role in this Android Study Jam. So from DSC CVRGU, I myself, Ritesh Kumar Sinha, is the Android Study Jam facilitator. I am Android developer at Orates and I have got the Best of Nation champion from India in machine learning and big data. Now coming to the facilitator of DSC Gita, it's Aman Raj, Android developer at Naya Bazaar. Now I would request Aman to start with track 1.
Thank you, Ritesh, for this wonderful explanation and everything. So, hello everyone. This is Aman, one of the Android facilitator who will be helping you throughout your Android Study Jams journey. The first track of Android Study Jams is new to programming track, and this track is for you if you are new to programming. In this track, we will be covering the Android basics in Kotlin course that will show you how to build simple Android apps using the Kotlin programming language and Android Studio. No programming, no prior programming experience is necessary. You will be introduced to basic programming concepts as you learn about Android in this course. So let's start with the first track of Android Study Jams and have a brief idea about it. Like the course is made up of units and each unit is composed of pathways. The Android Basics in Kotlin course consists of two units, which is shown here. The unit 1, which is Kotlin Basics for Android, and the unit 2, Layouts. Let's dive into the first unit. The unit 1, which has 4 pathways. Don't worry, if you don't know what a pathway is, we will cover it soon. And the 4 pathways of this unit are Introduction to Kotlin, create your first Android app, build a basic layout, and add a button to an app. Like the first pathway, Introduction to Kotlin, in this pathway, you will learn the basics of Kotlin, a modern programming language that allows you to express your ideas in a concise way. In the next pathway, you will learn to create your first Android app using Android Studio. You will get a little bit familiar with Android Studio, and then you will be able to run your app in a mobile device or in an emulator. Great, right? So moving to the third pathway, which is build a basic layout. In this pathway, you will learn how to add images and text to your Android apps. By learning so, you will also learn to add to about views, where to design your layout file, which is the UI part of your app, And in the third pathway, which is add a button to an app, you will learn and implement the programming part of your app. You will learn how to use classes, objects, and conditionals to create an interactive app for your users. You will create a dice roller app which will generate a random number between 1 to 6 and updates the UI depending on that number. Further moving to unit 2, in this unit, which has two pathways, like you can see, get user input in an app and display a scrollable list. In the first pathway, we will create a tip calculator app by building the layout first and then implementing the logic to calculate the tip from the user input. You will learn about new UI components such as editable text fields, radio buttons, and switches to build up the layout for your tip calculator app. You will learn to change the theme of the app and also learn to change the launcher icon for your app with the help of Image Asset Studio tool in Android Studio. Moving to the next and the last pathway of this unit, which is display a scrollable list. In this pathway, you will create an app that displays a scrollable list of inspiring text and images using the Recycler View widget in Android. Along the way, you will learn about using lists in Kotlin to store a collection of data. You will learn the reason behind using the Recycler View and adapter and also how to hook them together. Like, it's time to discuss what is a pathway. A pathway is an ordered sequence of activities to learn a specific skill. An activity can be a video, hands-on coding tutorial, an article, or quiz. Like, you can see at least 4 activities in this pathway. All these activities are meant to help you reach specific learning objectives by the end of this pathway. Like, what you have to do when you reach the end of the pathway is that after you reach at the end, there is a quiz. There is a quiz at the end of each pathway to check your understanding of what you just learned. Here's what a sample quiz looks like. There are no limits to the number of retries for a quiz, but if you get a question wrong, try to understand what the concept is, even if you need to look back at the source material before answering again. So, you know what the best part? When you complete a quiz and pass the quiz, you will earn a badge like this one. So, what do you have to do is complete one pathway and earn a specific badge. Great, guys. And if you are wondering where the badge will go, then don't. The badges you earn can be saved to your developer profile. When you are taking the course, be sure to sign in and create a developer profile if you haven't already. It's very quick to create. As you earn more badges, you can see them on your developer profile and favorite them as shown here. And that's all for the first pathway, first unit. And if you what you have to do is start a pathway, follow it, and then complete it by passing the quiz. Then move to the next pathway. In this way, you will complete the unit and the whole track. Thank you, everyone. Now I invite Ritesh from DSC CVRGU to continue from here. Over to you, Ritesh.
Thank you so much, Aman. So, folks, as you all know that I would be your Android facilitator from DSC CVRGU, and I would be guiding you till the Android Study Jam journey. After completing new to programming track, let's dive deep inside the innovating world of Android. Coming to the learning objectives, what you are going to learn. You are going to learn all the essential stuffs of Kotlin programming languages. Trust me, you are going to make varieties of Android app during this entire span of Android Study Jam. You will get to know about multiple resources that will help you in future learning. Now, coming to the prerequisites that are required before starting this track. You should have experience on any of the object-oriented programming language. You should be comfortable with using an IDE. You should be familiar how to navigate through GitHub. You should have a computer and an active internet connection. And it's optional, guys, that you should have an Android device and USB cable. Otherwise, the emulator also works. So, guys, can you tell me what does this code do? Yes, this will print hello world. You can practice your Kotlin code in the Kotlin playground. That will help you to improve your coding skills in Kotlin. Once you create your developer profile, all the batches that you will earn during the jam will be showcased over here. Isn't it interesting? You can start your journey to Android Study Jam through this link. Once you are redirected to this link, you will earn your first badge. Wow, guys, you are going to earn your first badge that will be displayed in the developer profile. In prior programming track, you will first learn the basic syntax and features of Kotlin by solving these Kotlin cone exercises. Once you know the basic of Kotlin, we will deep dive into Android Kotlin fundamental to build varieties of Android apps. This is a glimpse of Kotlin cone exercises that you are going to solve. In Unit 1 of Android Kotlin fundamentals, you are going to build 5 apps. Guys, 5 apps. You will get to know how we create multiple layouts and add UI to your app. You will also discover about navigation path and get a hands-on experience on handling complex lifecycle situations. For every app you make, you are going to earn batches, guys. In Unit 2 of Prior Programming Experience track, you will learn about the architecture components like view models and live data. You will create database using Room library. You will get to explore about recycler view and its overridden methods. Have you ever thought of how the data get loaded and displayed from internet? Do not worry, guys. You are going to know about all such stuffs here. You will also explore to create repository scheduling tasks in this track. You will know about one of the most important concept of Android development, that is retrofit. Last but not the least, you will learn the basic of Android styling system like how to apply material design principles to the UI of your app and how to make your app more accessible to the user. That's all from my part, guys. Anytime, whenever you complete your any task, you will be earning a badge that you can display on the developer profile. So, guys, for any reasons or any problem that you face, you can contact me. It's my LinkedIn ID and my mail ID. Now, coming to the questions that the guys have put on the comment box. Priyanka Gupta, the link has been given to you. It's g.co/android/study-jams. From that site, you will learn all the steps are present over there. I hope I'm clear with you, Priyanka. So the questions from Devasi Samantra. Is Kotlin similar to Java? Actually, Kotlin and Java both are object-oriented programming language, Devashis. Both are really similar, and it's more easier to use Kotlin over Java. All the benefits of Kotlin will be told to you when the Android Study Jam will start. So have some patience and just start the track. Suryakant, it's about building applications, not about building Android. Sweta, your question was that what about those who don't have ever done any language? Do not worry, Sweta. It's fundamental course. The track one is totally fundamental of Kotlin. So you will get to know all the stuffs over there. So have some patience and start track one. All the stuffs should be clear over there. I hope I'm clear, Sweta.
Hello, Tanuj.
Yeah,
Don't worry. Don't worry about that. Like you are in first year of first year student, you will be able to do this jam because it is for you guys. And if there is any problem, there is a Telegram group only for you all people, and we will be helping you throughout this journey. So don't worry about that.
Subhojit Barik, Kotlin is totally very easy to learn. I must suggest you it is very easier than Java or any other programming language that might have run till now. So it's my suggestion. Kotlin is very easy, guys. Just start it. Start from where you hurt. Be conceptually clear whatever you perform. Try it one, two times. It will be very easier for you. No difficulties at all. I hope I'm clear, Subhojit.
Shall we? The time limit is means you are free to use this course depending on you. Means you can complete it whenever you want. But to earn the certification from the Android Study Jams, you have to complete the tracks by 25th of Jan. I guess I'm clear.
Subir, there are a lot of competition after doing this track. When you will making the app, the best app will be showcased on the Android developer page. Isn't it interesting, guys, that you are making an app and you are getting hands-on swags? There are lots and lots of swags available for you all. After completing the course, those whose app will be the best will be displayed on the developer page, and as well as that, you will be earning the swags from our side. I hope I'm clear, Subir.
Yeah, yes, Aman. The we will be helping you in the sessions which will be on YouTube only.
Ashutosh, you will be taught all the stuffs that are required for making an app. Do not worry at all. It will be taught to you just like a spoon feeding. It's just like a spoon feeding. Each and every steps are available over there. Hands-on experience you will get over there. You will get practice papers over there. There's a Kotlin playground I have described earlier. You will practice over there. It's very easy. If you don't know DSA, no worry. And we are there to guide you at every moment, Ashutosh. So don't worry at all. I hope I'm clear, Ashutosh. You can join our Telegram link for any of the difficulties that you face. We will be there to solve that queries. Thank you, Ashutosh.
Nirupama, the link has been sent, which will lead you to directly to the page of the Android Study Jams, and from there you can start the track one and track two.
Nirupama, just type on the browser g.co/android/studyjams. That is the link. I hope I'm clear, Nirupama. Sachidanand Sahu, your question is very interesting. What is the benefit of this event? Guys, you are going to get plenty of knowledge about Android. You are going to make several apps over there. So, isn't it a benefit? Starting from scratch, you are going to be a good Android developer. It's a big benefit that you can get from any of the understood any of the jams. I mean, any of the jams. Thank you so much,
Like
Sachidanand.
Sachidanand, have you ever wondered, like you want to amaze your friends, what you will do, what you should do? Like I started my Android journey by thinking of that, and I made some apps to amaze my friends and family members. And after showing them, like, yeah, I can make such app which will be which will run on your phone, and that's a very what means achievement for me.
Nirupama, you can go to the link. There, all the courses are available over there. And whenever the time permits, we will arrange a session on the YouTube so that we could better explain you about the steps of Android. I hope I'm clear, Nirupama.
Yeah, it totally depends on you, Nishant. Like if you are comfortable and you know the basics of Android and Kotlin, then you can start with track two. But the students which don't have the prior idea of Kotlin or Android, then they have to start from track one. I guess I'm clear.
Obviously, Jayed, you can join whether you are from CVRGU, GITA, or anywhere else. It's open to all, guys. Anyone is welcome over here. We welcome each and every individual who are interested in developing Android apps. I hope, Jayed, I'm clear with you. And one more thing, guys, link has been provided through the mail. So kindly please check and go through your mails every day because something very exciting is coming every day on your mail, guys. Please do check it. One more thing, guys, Telegram group will be open from today. So all of you can join over there. That's our official Telegram group where you can share your queries and we would be available there to answer your queries, guys. I think it's the time to wind up, guys. Thank you so much for listening and having a patience for us. I think there is one more question coming out over there. It's from Aditya Sahai. Installation of ID and other soft will be guided or we have to do by own. Aditya, you can install by your own, but whenever you get stuck, do ping us on Telegram. We would help you at any manner. I hope Aditya it will work for you. So, guys, thank you so much for listening to us and having a great patience. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned with DSC CVRGU and DSC Gita. Hope that you all stay safe at your home, and we would be there in the next session. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Happy jamming.